Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn the screen off without the power key. By default, there is an option that lets you double click on the free space on the home screen and only on the home screen. If you double tap on it, the screen goes off. Or on the lock screen it works as well, but only on the home screen or lock screen, but not within an app, right? And only on some free spaces. If you double tap on an app, it'll open the app. So if you want to enable that, if you don't have that, or if you want another option, go to settings. And let's first talk about this like default option in general management, I believe. But I'm never sure about that. Maybe advanced features. Motions and gestures. Yeah. Double tap to turn off screen is the option. And also double tap to turn on screen. If the screen is dark, then you can double tap on the screen to turn it on. Now let's go to a second option, which will be in the accessibility. And it'll be, I believe, in the interaction. Not that, but maybe assistant menu. Yeah, if you click on the assistant menu, now you can click on screen off. And I think that you can also customize it. So let's click on assistant menu. Now select assistant menu items, and you can add some, you can delete some. I'm just gonna select maybe the screen off first of all. Then also I'm gonna add screenshots and power off, because there's a chance that you want to do it because you cannot click on the power button for whatever reason. So let's try. You can add things like press on hold side button, double press on side button. But I just want to do a power off menu and a screenshot because they are important for me. But feel free to add whatever you like. Now, as I go back, you can see on this menu I have these free items. You can change the transparency of this thing. You can also change the menu size to extra small, for example, or large. It doesn't do anything whatsoever. I mean, it really doesn't change the size, but maybe it changes the menu itself. Not that much, really. But okay, let's say it's fine. You can also show it as edge icon, so it'll be more hidden, depending on your needs. And you can move it, of course. And I think that it's basically everything that you can do here. So you can now click on that, turn screen off, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.